Even many professional singers often never learn the real basics of singing. Here's your throat, technical name pharynx. This is your vocal folds, sometimes called vocal cords, which is incorrect. The air comes up from your lungs, passes through the vocal folds, which vibrate, and comes out through your nose and mouth. Vocal folds, not vocal cords. The vocal folds, I call it sometimes the alien in your body. They look like this when they're open, and when they're drawn together, they vibrate against each other, just like when you take a blade of glass, put it between your thumbs and blow it, you get a vibrating sound. You can get the same effect when you take a piece of tissue paper, wrap it around a comb, you get a nice buzzy sound. This is what the vocal folds do. Now, the reason people get confused about this is called the larynx, often called, you got it, the voice box. So people think that's where the voice comes from. It's not where it comes from. It's just the buzzy part, which you then shape. In other words, everything that happens with your voice can be altered after this point. You're not stuck with a certain sound. What do you need to know to change the sound of your voice in seconds? Come and join me on July the 8th at 2 p.m. for a free vocal workshop, and I'll show you how to change the sound of your voice in seconds.